Welcome to this channel. Myself Dr. T. Indranath. Today I will tell you about diabetes. Yes, everybody is very familiar with the word diabetes. Okay, and it is very fearful word. That means if you are diabetic, that means you have a lots of complication and all. So it is very important to know about diabetes because according to 2017 data, if you see, there are 72 million people are suffering from diabetes, and at the 2025 the data may go double. So almost 150 million people may suffer from diabetes. So it is very important to know diabetes and prevent diabetes. And diabetes is a lifestyle disorder and it is a chronic metabolic disorder. Actually, what happens? It is a chronically disbalance of your metabolism. Or let me tell you the normal metabolism. What happens when we take food? That food we chew and it goes to the stomach. In the stomach, when there food in the stomach, there is an important organ called pancreas, and the pancreas has alpha cell and beta cell. From the beta cell, it secretes insulin. It is a very important part of your metabolism, and disbalance of this insulin will cause you diabetes. So let's see what insulin does. Whenever food digests, there is a production of glucose, that means sugar. That sugar, insulin comes and bind with the sugar with some receptor and they enter into the cell, so that the cell get energy and you work without any hesitation. And after the using that energy, there are some extra sugar. The insulin, what it does, the extra sugar, it's stored as the glycogen in your body, so that in emergency it can deliver your glucose. Okay, and there are another important enzyme like a glucagon which secrete from the pancreas but from the alpha cell. Mind you, the alpha cell and beta cell, the beta cell secrete insulin and alpha cell secrete glucagon, and they will just do opposite work. Like insulin, you store your extra glucose as the glycogen, and the glucagon is necessary when you will need to have that energy and you are not taking food. Then that glucagon comes out and they break down the glycogen and that give you the energy. So this is the balance. When there is extra glucose, insulin just stored, but when you need glucose but you are not taking food, just glucagon help you that the glycogen break down into glucose and you get the energy. This is the normal phenomena. But what happens in diabetes? In diabetes, the destruction of the beta cell, that is the very important. The pancreatic beta cell is destruction. So either there is no insulin, that means no beta cell, no insulin. Okay, even there may be that beta cell is there, insulin is also there, but that insulin to work with the glucose, it requires some receptor. If that receptor is not sensitive, that means it is not allowing insulin to bind with glucose to enter into the cell, then there will be beta cell, there will be insulin, but still the extra sugar will not be utilized. So the sugar concentration in your body will go high. Once it crosses some border, when your sugar level in your body reaches certain level, we call it renal threshold. That means when the sugar up to a certain level of sugar when passed through the kidney, through the urine, the kidney can reabsorb the sugar. But after the certain level, that after the renal threshold, kidney is unable, kidney can't reabsorb the glucose anymore. So that extra glucose comes out with your body with the urine. So it is a chronic disease and it continues the same process. So automatically it will destroy the organ because excessive sugar is very toxic to your organ. So very frequently diseased organ is your kidney. Diabetes is a very vast disease. There are some other many factors also cause diabetes, like lack of physical exercise, excessive sugar intake in the form of tea, coffee, and fast food. So we should avoid this fast food. I have made a series of diabetes video. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can see all the videos. And I have described all the diabetes in details with the scientific medical background. So it will give you extra age so that you can prevent diabetes. So stay healthy.